The conversation was conducted by the passive form. The action is more important than who did it. This happened in consultation with management. Geschittet, a formal word for happened. The undersigned is of the opinion, the ultimate formal I form of someone who signs a document. Those affected receive support, a business-like announcement about an emotional subject. Anyone who is interested, very formal for everyone who. The language withdraws, becomes impersonal, becomes general. It hides the individual behind the process. Finally, we would like to note that the introduction to the final conclusion, therefore we cannot agree. The logical, formal consequence, therefore the aforementioned points are important reference to what has already been mentioned earlier. After investigation, it has been shown that the conclusion based on facts. This is the core of the formal decision. Summarize, conclude, refer, and draw a consequence. He claims to be innocent, a formal way to represent someone's statement. She chose not to answer. Vercus, formal for chose, a conscious formal refusal. He is unable to come formal, for he cannot come of a similar nature, a formal expression of the same kind. The language here becomes precise, almost legal. It describes statuses, claims, and choices without emotion. Finally, we would like to note that therefore we cannot agree. The aforementioned points are important. After investigation, it has been shown that this is the core of the formal decision. Summarize, conclude, refer, and draw a consequence. Mr. Jensen will be present. Formal confirmation of attendance. Dear sir, madam, the formal salutation. Yours sincerely. The formal closing, even more formal than with kind regards. In connection with the works, the road is closed. The formal reason in connection with for a measure. Additional information is available. The announcement that there is more if needed. Respond immediately. A formal command. Respond immediately. You can find the details below, the reference within the document or message. These are the practical components of the decision, the attachments, the required speed, the location of the details. Finally, we would like to note that this is our concluding remark. Therefore, we cannot agree. This is our definitive position. The aforementioned points are important. This is why, after investigation, it has been shown that this is the basis of our judgment. The formal decision has been taken. It is in black and white. It is impersonal, logical, and binding. The undersigned is of the opinion, name, and signature. The decision is nothing without the signature, without the name, without the person who, despite all formal language, ultimately takes responsibility. The formal decision is a human act wrapped in impersonal words. The end.